Hello friends, today we will discuss about the data structure. What is data structure and what is the use of data structure and how to use data structure. So it is very first lecture. Now this lecture we will discuss about data structures introduction. So first, what is a data structure? Data structure Data structures are different ways of organizing data on your computer that can be used effectively. It means data structures are different ways to contain data on your computer which can be used effectively and to improve performance. So let's understand by the example. Suppose we have first image and we have second image. In first image there are multiple items which are in unorganized way, and to identify an item in these unorganized way is very difficult. But in the second image you can see these items are an organized way. So in these items we can identify simply which item is located in which location, and we can simply identify these items compared to these unorganized item. Let's take another one example. Or suppose uh, we have to find the one by one person to identify any requirement. So identify the person in the crowd is the very difficult task. But in second image you can see this is in organized way, and we can say it is a queue. So if persons in a queue, then we can simply serve the service one by one. But in the first image we are not able to serve our service one by one to each person because they are in an not in organized way. These are just a crowd. So getting the identification of individual person is not simple. In this way, second image representing a type of data structure which called is queue. So what is queue we will discuss in detail when we will reach at queue section. Now next, let's say another one example. There are multiple books in first image which are unorganized way, which are in unorganized way. But in the second image these books are in organized way. So getting the record books from the first image is the tough task, but instead of first image we can take from the second image. These are in an organized way, so we can simply identify the books, and this second image represent the one type of data structure which is called stack. So stack means first in and last out. So what is stack? We will discuss in detail in the stack section, but in the conclusion way we can say data structure says to improve any software performance, your data should be in organized way so that we can efficiently process that data and find out the desired result. So if data is not in organized way, then software, our program will not identify the simply required data. So in this way we need an organized data, then we can process a data in a manner as per requirement. So thank you friends, that's all for today section, and next video we will discuss about the algorithms. So very soon we will come again. Thank you, all the best.